Hey everyone, welcome back to The Simple Dad. So today we're taking a look at the latest Samsung Note update version 4.4.41.9. And we're going to go through the changelog together because Samsung has added 3 practical new features that make Samsung Note a little easier to use. Now before we get started, I noticed something really interesting. So I've been looking for these features on my Galaxy S26 Ultra and they simply aren't there. So I've checked the settings, the menus, and every place these features should appear, but I can't find them at all. So from what I can tell, this update currently applies to the Galaxy S25 Ultra and older supported Galaxy devices. So maybe Samsung plans to bring these updates to S26 Ultra later on, or maybe they don't. At the moment, I honestly don't know. If you have an S26 Ultra and you found these features, please let me know in the comments below because I'd love to hear from your experience. Also, if you can't find the update yet, I've included the update link in the description below. Now let's jump into the changelog and see what's new. Now this is really interesting. So here we have 3 new features, and the interesting part is Samsung now includes a description of how to access those settings. So let's go ahead and open up Samsung Note and let's go ahead and try these features out. Okay, so the first feature Samsung mentions in the changelog is called match style when pasting. So this is one of those small improvements that can save you a lot of frustration if you regularly copy from websites, emails, PDFs, or other documents into Samsung Notes. So let me show you how to enable this first. So here you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on advanced. And from here, scroll down and find match style when pasting. So pasted text will match the style of the text around where you pasted it. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now we'll open up a note where we have a text which has bold, italics, and underline. And I'll go ahead and copy this and paste this right here. So we should basically see the same style and the text size being copied over. So copy and paste. So that's correct. So that is working fine. Now let's see if same thing happens when I copy something from the internet. So here I have a text which I want to copy. And I'll go ahead and paste it in this document here. Unfortunately not, it's not working at all. So previously when you pasted text into a note, it would often bring over the original formatting. That meant different font sizes, different styles, and sometimes a note that looked a little messy. But with this update, Samsung Note can automatically match the formatting of the note you're currently working on. However, as you can see, it really doesn't work. So it's a simple feature, but if it works correctly, it's definitely a useful one. Now the second edition in version 4.4.41.9 is a new organization option called Group by Date. So if you're anything like me, you probably accumulated hundreds of notes over time. Meeting notes, shopping list, random ideas, screenshots, reminders, it all adds up pretty quick. So Samsung has now added a way to group your notes by date, making it easy to find recent notes and keep everything organized. So to access it, you want to go ahead and open up your Samsung Note like this. Now go ahead and tap on the 3 dots and then tap on Sort. Now here you'll see this new option, Group by Date. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you can disable it whenever you want it if you prefer the traditional view. However, if you want it by this, go ahead and tap on Done, and this will group it by date. Again, this isn't a huge feature, but it's one of those quality of life improvements that many users will appreciate. Now the third and the final feature in the changelog is an improvement to PDF importing. So if you regularly work with PDF inside Samsung Note, so this one is probably going to be your favorite. So Samsung has made the import process much more easier to access. So you have now 2 quick ways to import PDF. So the first method is to simply long press the Create Note button here. And here you have the option to import PDF. Now the second method is to tap on this import PDF icon right here. It's got a PDF text and a plus sign on it. So it's a small change, but it reduces the number of taps required and makes the feature much more easier to discover. So for students, professionals, or anyone who annotates PDFs regularly, this is definitely a welcome improvement. Now before you go, let me just show you my S26 Ultra and show you that these features don't exist, but I want to go ahead and just try it out and see if it actually works. So here I have a text which I've basically made it bold and I've basically changed the heading of it. So we'll go ahead and see if it copies the same style. So anything I copy from the internet here, we'll go ahead and copy that. We'll copy that and let's go ahead and paste it in my notes and see if that works. Yes, unfortunately, it doesn't work as well. Let me just try copying it from the same note. So that basically matches the style and is turned on by default. Let's go ahead and see if the second option is there, Group by Date. sort group by date. Yes, it's there. And the third option where you have the import PDF. So I know I can go ahead and long press on this and import PDF. However, I don't have that icon to import PDF. Okay. So those are the 3 new features included in Samsung Notes version 4.4.41.9. To quickly recap, we now have a match style when pasting for cleaner formatting. You have group by date for better note organization. And you have a much more convenient import PDF option. So as I mentioned earlier, I can see these features on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and older supported devices, but I still cannot find them anywhere on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you're using S26 Ultra, let me know in the comments whether you received them or not, because I'm curious to see if this is affecting everyone or just certain devices. Now, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell notification so you don't miss future Samsung tips, tricks, and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.